Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Irhan Saqib and you are watching Science Facts. I am a student of class 5 from SFC Grammar School, Mirpur Mathelo, and on this channel I will be telling you a lot about science, fun facts, and we will do some practical work as well as looking at the night sky with the help of a telescope. Since I have an interest in astronomy and science, I purchased a Celestron telescope. So in this video, we will unbox and assemble it. Time to assemble it. What are you doing in there? Protecting it again? So thank you. I am trying to make a video. So can you please get outside for 1 minute? In here we have a lot of things. So time to check it. So this is the stand. This is the main telescope, and we have some manuals and a few CDs, and we will look at them later. And these must be the eyepiece. And I don't know whatever this is. Teddy, do you know the name of this? No? Okay. Let's check out the manual. Okay, according to the manual, this is the stand. And if we unscrew this and take it open, then we have to take our telescope and put it in there. And then screw it from the back. And it's attached. And where is this supposed to go? What's that? On the side? Over here? Okay. And after we screw this, we should have the finder scope attached. And I think we're missing something right here. Wait 1 second. Let me find it. Okay. So we forgot the optical lens. It is supposed to go on the end, just like that. And inside of it we are supposed to fit these lenses. And this one is 10 millimeters, which gives us a magnification power of 40 times. And this one is a 20mm lens, which gives us a power of 20 times. For now, we will apply the 20mm. And now our telescope is ready, and in later videos we will be looking at the night sky with it. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And until next time, Allah Hafiz.